Hello, fourth graders. This is Miss Philman. Today we are going to learn how to add mixed numbers by converting to equivalent improper fractions. First, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is made up of a whole number and a fraction. In this case, 2 is the whole number and 1/3 is the fraction. To convert mixed numbers into improper fractions, we use a number line. Our mixed number is 2 and 1/3. So we draw a number line and divide each whole number into 3 equal parts and label each part appropriately. Now to convert. We have 2 whole parts, so we are going to draw our line to represent 2 whole parts. 1, 2. Now we have to add on our fraction of 1/3 by extending our line by 1/3. To figure out what our improper fraction is, we count all of the thirds that we have in our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer would be 7/3. Our fraction of 7/3 is equivalent to our previous mixed number of 2 and 1/3. We do not change our denominators. A common mistake that students often make is forgetting to work in the same whole. This means that the shape you are working with must have the same amount of pieces and must also be similar in shape and size. Okay, now that we reviewed turning mixed numbers into improper fractions, let's try and add 1 and 2/3 plus 2 and 1/3. Our first step is going to be to convert our mixed numbers into equivalent improper fractions. For this, we will need to draw a number line for 1 and 2/3 and another one for 2 and 1/3. Okay, now that we have our number lines drawn, our first step is to shade in our fractions that we have. So, for 1 and 2/3, we have 1 whole and then plus 2/3. 1, 2. For 2 and 1/3, we have 2 wholes, 1, 2, and an additional 1/3. Now, to figure out how much we have all together, we need to combine our number lines. But first, let's count and see how many thirds we have in each fraction. So for 1 and 2/3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5/3. Okay, now for 2 and 1/3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7/3. Okay, so using the information we just gathered, we're going to combine our data onto one number line. We found that 1 and 2/3 is equal to 5/3. So I'm going to shade 5 1/3 on my number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We also found that 2 and 1/3 is equal to 7/3. So I'm going to shade 7 1/3 onto my number line right after my 5/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I'm going to count my total number of thirds that I have on my number line to figure out my whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so total, I have 12 1/3 on my number line. Now, we have to convert 12/3 back into a mixed number. To do this, we go back to our number line and count each whole that is on our number line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 wholes. Our final answer is 1 2/3 plus 2 1/3 equals 4. In this lesson, you learned how to use number lines to add mixed numbers with like denominators by replacing them with equivalent fractions.